Okay, good morning. Welcome to Math Project 39.
Almost to 40.
Almost to 40. Here we go. Here's practice problem number 1. Boris has 6 more Lego guys than Bobby and 3 more than Magnus. If they have 51 Lego guys in all, how many does Boris have?
Which
Okay.
is the one that has the most?
Boris has 6 more Lego guys than Bobby and 3 more than Magnus.
So Bobby has 3 more than Magnus? No, Boris does?
Boris has 3 more than Magnus. Yeah. So Boris has 6 more Lego guys than Bobby and 3 more than Magnus. And how many do they have in all?
They have 51.
51. Okay.
So Magnus.
Right. How many?
So Boris is.
What do you want to? What do you want to say? Or what do you want to call Boris? How many Boris
is
has?
going to have X.
And then Bobby.
Bobby has X minus 6.
Bobby has X minus 6 because we said Boris had 6 more than Bobby.
Yeah.
And then the last one was Magnus.
Magnus has.
Why don't you write it? How much?
X. No, I gotta do the other one.
We said Boris had 3 more than Magnus. So what does that equal?
X minus 3.
Okay, very, very good. So we didn't know how many Boris had, so we decided to call that X. We knew Boris had 6 more than Bobby,
Yep.
which means Bobby has X minus 6. And we know that Boris had 3 more than Magnus, so
Yep.
Magnus has X minus 3. And we know it all adds up to 51, right?
Yeah. So 3x minus 9 is 51.
Okay.
3x is 60.
Hold on one second. Hold, you're going too fast. So we have X plus X minus 6 plus X minus 3 equals 51.
51.
All right, so how many X's are there?
There's 3x minus 9.
3x minus 9 equals 51.
3x is 60.
3x equals 60.
So what is x equals 20. Bobby has 20.
So no. Who has 20?
Boris, I mean.
Boris has 20.
Boris
Okay.
has 20. Bobby has 14, and Magnus has 17.
Okay, so Boris has 20, Bobby has 14, and Magnus has 17. Now why don't we just double check real quick that adds up to 51, just so we know we got the right answer. So what's 20 plus 14 plus 17?
Yes, it adds up to 51.
Okay, because 20 plus 10 plus 10 is 40, and then 4 plus 7 is 11. So 40 plus 11 is 51. Great job, sweetie. Good start. All right, you ready for the next problem?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Practice problem number 2. Gary is driving an empty bus, and it's actually a gigantic bus.
A gigantic empty bus.
It's a gigantic empty bus. At stop number 1, 1 person gets on. At stop number 2, 2 people get on. The same thing happens all the way up to stop number 20. So how many people get on at stop 3?
3.
How many people get on at stop 10?
10.
How many people get on at stop 19?
19.
Okay. So in all, how many people got on the bus, not including the driver? So just from stop 1 where 1 person got on to stop 20 where 20 people got on, how many people got on the bus? So what are we going to have to, do you understand the problem?
Yep.
Okay. So what are we going to have to calculate?
1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 plus 19 plus 20.
Okay, so we have to calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus dot 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 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20.
Well, we can use our tricks and do
Okay.
it backwards.
Okay, hold. I'm going to write that one more time. I'm going to write it. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. And this equals what we're trying to figure out, right? So let's just call that X.
Yeah, now to write it backwards.
Okay, so what do you write first? Right by the 1.
20
plus 19
plus
18 plus
dot dot dot
plus, and then what goes with the 18 when you write it backwards?
3
3
plus 2, that goes with the 19, plus 1. So we
Okay.
just get a bunch of 21s.
And what does this all equal, by the way, when you write it backwards?
X.
It equals X again. Okay.
So all these bunch of 21s, 20 times 21 equals
Whoa,
2x.
you're going too fast. So what do we do now? What do we do now with these two equations?
We'll add them together.
Okay. We'll add them together. It's okay. I'll keep writing.
Okay.
21 plus 21 plus 21 plus dot 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 plus 21 plus 21 plus 21 equals what? When I add these two equations together, I get a bunch of 21s. And what do they add up to?
2x.
2x. Right. So we've added up our series twice, but it's all 21s now. So how many 21s do we have?
20 21s.
Okay. So we know this is 20 times 21, which
What, 10?
equals 2x.
10 times 21 is 210, so it's
Okay.
420. I mean, just
10 times 21 equals 210. So that means 20 times 21 equals what?
equals 420.
420. And what does 420 equal?
420 is 2x.
2x.
X equals 210.
X equals 210. So how many total people got on the bus?
210.
210 people got on the bus.
So that's what I call a huge bus.
That is one gigantic bus.
And those are the people on molecules.
And that's the people, yeah, maybe they were Lego people.
Maybe they were ants.
Maybe they were ants. Maybe it was an ant bus. Okay, well, now for the homework problems.
Yep.
Okay. So great job. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 all the way up to plus 20 adds up to what?
2,
Adds up to what?
210.
210. Okay. So the homework problems are
Homework? You don't usually write homework.
okay, it's Olympiad. Oh, sorry,
Blah, blah, blah.
I'm distracted. I think it's Olympiad 48. Here, can you hand me the book there, sweetie? Thanks. Olympiad 48, problem number 2. And problem number 3. Okay, so your homework is Olympiad 48, problem number 2, and problem number 3. Great job today. Those were fun, weren't they?
Awesome.